Welcome everyone to the latest installment of our monthly blog. We're recording this just before the beginning of December, but of course this is our December Christmas blog. And here at Unity, we go to great lengths to embrace the festivities. And so here we go. Here we go. There we are. So here we are. Christmas is already here. Now, so it's Christmas or Christmas very soon, and we have a number of things that we do at Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Shall we begin with the Advent? Because of course
Yes.
Advent is the first thing that happens at the beginning of the month.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
we have an Advent Booklet.
We do, and I bought it to show everybody the sweetest Christmas. Advent is actually shorter this year. It's only just over 3 weeks. It depends on when it all falls and starts, but Christmas Day being a Monday, it's only 3 weeks and a day. But it's a beautiful booklet as always, with readings to really get us into that spiritual preparation, a deeper experience of Christmas. So yes, we love the parties and the glitter. I wasn't expecting this, and the tinsel and the fun and all that side of things is really important. We need that energy to uplift our spirits in the winter months, but it's also important to take time just to get still and reflect on what Christmas can mean to us and how we can live the spirit of Christmas actually in our lives. I think that's really important. So we read it every day in the morning at Daily Word, and we have our evening meditation on Zoom each night through Advent, 8:30 to 9, with different people leading the meditations and the readings. So yes, you're very welcome to join us for Advent. It's a beautiful experience that we share in unity.
It is. It's lovely. Lovely time of year.
And of course, we kick it off actually with our Advent service, which is the 3rd of December. We're actually going to hold it here in our meeting room, although it will only be online to everybody. We set up the Christmas tree and then we switch the lights on and invite everybody to send in names for the prayer tree, the Christmas tree, and really hold that reflection of prayer and support, which really does begin the season.
Lovely. And then we have, well, let's stick with services. We have the candle lighting service, which is, of course, is a much more glorious affair.
Yes, it is. It's much more out there. Lots of singing of Christmas carols, lots of readings, and we are going to open that up to the public. So if you can be here in person, please come and join us again here at our meeting rooms. And it's got a nice space here and a lovely energy, so we can really share in that experience of being together at Christmas time. It's been so long since we've done this. It'd be really nice to have some people here and share in that energy that Christmas is.
Lovely. And lastly, I suppose the calendar. We mustn't forget the calendar, because this is the time of year when we sell our 2024 calendar, which you just happen to have.
I just happen to have it, Steve, yes. And this is actually celebrating 100 years of Daily Word. It wasn't the original, in the original design of the Fillmores, this booklet. They had other ways of connecting with people. Daily Word didn't actually start until 1924. So this is celebrating 100 years of it. And I mean, I love that picture of Unity Village. They've made it look as it would have been at that time, you know. And anyway, so there's beautiful pictures, space to write your appointments and connect with us throughout the year. So yes, this is all available. Call in the office or online on the website. It's just another way to stay engaged with us. Every time you look at it, every time I have one at home, it's like it reconnects me with Unity and all the support that we feel in our Unity community.
Yes, we need that in these days. We definitely need that. Okay, it only remains, I suppose, to say Merry Christmas, or as we say in Wales, Nadolig Llawen. And what do we say in Unity? Do we say anything special in Unity?
Not that I will.
Have a blessed Christmas.
Indeed, yes. And Advent and Christmas, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.